Muffpot cooking. How's it? This is dirty?
Probably.
So we are in beautiful Island Park, staying at this awesome Sportsman cabin. I'll put a link below if you guys want to stay here. It's awesome for snowmobiling and if you want to visit Yellowstone. Beautiful view. We're gonna do some snowmobiling today and some snowmobile cooking with the Muffpot. We're gonna be doing some Hotpockets, just something simple just to try it out. As you can see, basically the muffler is gonna be cooking or heating up the food for us. So we gotta go on a pretty good ride to get it nice and hot, and we'll see how it works. We're doing two today, one with the crisping packet and one with just foil. We'll see which one is better. I'm gonna hit the trail, heat them up, and eat it. Shoots.
Wow.
It's nice and hot.
Yeah.
We're gonna flip them. Try to get them nice and evenly toasty. And it definitely is toasty right now.
Steam coming out. Oh man, them things, look at this cooking the juices right out of it.
Yeah.
She's cooking nice.
Nice.
Is it toasty?
Yeah. It's really warm too.
Looks good.
Yeah. We'll get her on the other side. It'll be done to perfection when we get back. Put her back in the oven.
Muffpocket. Close up the oven, we ready. Chee-hoo. This Muffpot number 2, not as hot. Got a little bit better sled, I think. This one's in the crisper though. See if it helps it out.
It's warm, just not as hot as the other one.
It's a warm pocket.
Yeah.
The other one's a hot pocket. Check out this view. All right, we're back at the house. Check out the Muffpot action. Looks like it's a little toasty.
Bottom is, yeah.
All right, this is the crisper one, right?
Yeah. It's just,
It's a warm pocket.
yeah.
This one should be a lot hotter. One of the, was it flicker? Is that what you call it? The flicker? Is that what it's called? The little thing? The little thing that kicks up the snow?
Oh,
Scratcher. The scratcher broke on this, which basically kicks up snow to cool off the machine. So this one's nice and hot. Ooh, that one is nice and hot. All right, let's take these inside.
Juices are coming out of her.
Let's take them inside and try it out. All right, let's open these up. Check the crisper first. not crisp. It's warm though.
Oh, yeah.
This bad boy though is hot. This is a hot pocket. That's a warm pocket. Whew. Yep, this bad boy is nice and cooked. I wouldn't say it's crispy, but it's a hot pocket. Let's see, let's try it. Oh, it looks super hot. Oh, broke my mouth. That's pretty good. Good stuff. All right, so the Muffpot worked pretty good. We got the hot pocket and the warm pocket. Of course, if your engine's run a little hotter, the pocket's gonna be a little bit hotter. So, but it was cool. Had a good day. Staying at this awesome place, the Sportsman's Cabin. Like I said before, I'll put a link. Got all kinds of goodies, pool table, bunch of couches, bunch of rooms, bunch of cool mounts. Real log cabin-y. But it's an awesome place, especially if you want to check out West Yellowstone or do some snowmobiling. It's awesome. Let's see. Got a little bar down the road, got a snowmobile rental down the road. It's good stuff. Anyways, hope you guys having a good day, good week. It's Dirty. Shoots.